morning! Good morning! We are going to get the keys today. Victor! Here we are. So it's a little bit echoey, but I thought I would give you a bit of a house tour. It's very empty, like there's nothing in here yet. We're moving on Friday and I'm filming on a Monday. By the time you see this, we'll already be moved in, but yeah, I'm just gonna give you a quick tour. So this is the entrance as you walk in. The boys are already upstairs, and then in here we've got a little toilet. Nice little, I mean it's quite a large mirror, but yeah, nice big mirror, a little sink here, so just kind of like a small toilet downstairs. Here are the boys already testing the stairs. In here is the kitchen, so it's got a bit of a space here for dining table, which is gonna be really nice. And then let me close the door. This way. Are you going upstairs? I think close the door so you can see. So I really like this window sill right here. I think it's so cute. So I think we're gonna put the dining table. Let me go back somewhere around here. Probably we're gonna get a round table. I'm thinking that probably might be better for this space. But yeah, it's really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna try to go back. So this is like a full overview of the kitchen. I actually have not gone through all the cupboards yet, so I'm not sure what kind of how they're arranged yet. So this is the fridge, and then it's got freezer. It's not turned on yet, so that's quite a nice spacious freezer, so I'm really happy about that. And then got the microwave and oven, obviously. And then let's see what's in here. Oh, drawers. That's nice. Might put some kitchen cloths in there, or maybe tea towels, or a snack drawer maybe. Shelves, and then oh, that's nice. It comes with a built-in cutlery drawer. Oh, they left off some money, didn't they? That's funny. Oh, that's gonna be nice to organize. I'm so excited to get all storage and organizers for this, and I really like the cupboards up here. They're very spacious. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, that's a tiny one. I think this is gonna be good for spices, maybe. How come it's so tiny? Oh, it's the... Come in! Come in! Who is it? Look at this.
That's
it's like I think you can put spices up there.
Yeah.
It's got the, what's that called? The vent, the
yeah.
fan. And then oh, this goes all the way back.
And the other one doesn't open. Ah, okay.
So it's, I think it's yes. 2 in 1.
It's empty, yes.
I think they're all pretty much the same layout. That's quite a lot of space. Oh, look at this. It's got...
oh, that's already built in.
Yeah.
Nice.
And some money. What's that?
Score.
I don't think it's... 10 cents.
Oh, careful, Victor.
It says Singapore.
That's a picnic. It's a picnic.
Picnic. Washer and dryer.
Okay.
Oh, what's that?
Water filter?
Oh.
Maybe? I don't know.
Is it? That's interesting. And then over here. Oh, that's a large dishwasher. That's gonna be good for all the
Dishes?
dishes. He's still looking at the drawers. So in here we've got the living room / playroom, because I think, where do you think we're gonna put the sofa? Maybe over here?
Yes.
Like that corner.
And then the telly.
And then have the TV stand over here. And then maybe the play area over there with some units or something. Where did he go?
To the kitchen.
Okay. And then in here we've got the under the stairs storage. Oh, I think it takes a while for it to turn on. Yeah, just...
Let's go upstairs.
Let's go upstairs. Oh, we didn't show the garden.
Okay.
Let's see the garden. We're too excited.
I need shoes.
You need
need
shoes. I know,
shoes.
we're just gonna look in the gardens. I really like the doors because you can kind of have an open space. So it's got a little shed in the back.
I need shoes.
Yeah, it's a cute little garden. Okay, shall we go upstairs?
No.
We'll take the shoes after that. Okay, let's go see your room. I think we need to get some baby gates, maybe just to put at the top. I think throughout the day he's fine, but maybe at night time. What do you think?
Yeah, we'll see.
Nice little landing. And look what's in here, Victor. Let's see, what's in here. Does it have a light? Yeah. So it's just a boiler and maybe a linen cupboard up there.
It help.
Okay, the boys are going downstairs, so I'm gonna film the rest.
Some peace and quiet.
Peace and quiet, I doubt that. So, yeah, this is the little landing as you come upstairs. And then in here is the master bedroom. So we are probably gonna have the bed like this, obviously. So it's, I think, quite a, decent sized bedroom. And then it's got an ensuite there. And then in here, this wardrobe we're gonna take out of this corner. And we're thinking of ordering something a bit larger for this area just so we can make more use of the space. Maybe like an IKEA wardrobe, we haven't decided yet. So we'll see about that. But this was left over from the previous tenants. So we're gonna use this maybe in the spare bedroom or in Victor's bedroom maybe. I think that would be a good size for a kid's wardrobe. So yeah, that's probably gonna go from here, but this is what the bedroom looks like. And then this is the ensuite. So it's got obviously toilet. I really like that it's got window. It's just a bit more bright. Let me just try and, where's the light? In here. Where is the light? Yeah, it's over here. I was looking for it inside. So nice little toilet. I really like the colors as well. It's kind of neutral and white, so really up my street if you guys know my style. And I really like the large mirror. I think it looks so lovely. And then it's got a sink. Let me see, does it have any storage in here? Oh, that's nice for a few products. Maybe you can put a basket under there, kind of have a bit more storage going on. And then here's a radiator, that's good for towels. And then it's got a nice big shower. Yeah, that's so lovely. Can't wait to have a shower in here. So that's the ensuite. And then I'll give you another overview of the bedroom. And let's see what's next. So the next room in here is the big bathroom. Here we are. So this one's got a bathtub, which is really nice for Victor. So I think this is pretty much going to be mainly his bathroom. I mean, he usually has, baths, and we usually have showers. So it works out that way. And then it's got the same sink, I think. Yeah, it's nice. Have a bit of storage. And I really like these, kind of like this sill, because you can put a few products there, or maybe like a little decor thingy. I think that looks really nice. Obviously toilet. In here is going to be Victor's bedroom. So it's kind of a mid-size, I would say, bedroom. So it's a tiny bit smaller than our master's. But I still think it's quite, quite a decent size for him. I kind of have to get a lampshade there, but yeah, I'm not sure where we're gonna put the bed. Maybe in here or maybe on this side. Got a bit of greenery in the back, so that's nice. And you can see the garden from up here. Look at them. They're already in the garden. Yeah, so you can see it's not a huge garden, but I think it's really a perfect size for us just to kind of have Victor play around for a bit. Yeah, so this is going to be Victor's bedroom. So yeah, that's why I'm thinking I should put baby gate up there, just in case he gets up in the middle of the night and wants to come into our bedroom, which is at that end of the hallway. I just, you know, I think I would feel safer if he had a gate just for protection, because during the day I think it's fine to go up and down the stairs. And then I showed you here the boiler room, and then in here is the tiny spare bedroom. It's got another of these wardrobes, which again I think we might put them either in here or maybe in Victor's room. We haven't really decided yet, but maybe one will stay in here and one in Victor's room. So this is going to be my husband's office probably. So it's a nice little room. It's got a nice window. So yeah, a nice little desk there, or maybe there. I think that would look really lovely. And he can have his own room to work from home. So yeah, that's the entire home tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let's see what the boys are up to. What are you up to, boys? What are you up to?
I wanted to go to the garage, but I cannot open it because the car is too close.
Oh.
I opened it, but I cannot with him.
Oh yeah, that's okay. I'll watch him. Let me just put on my shoes.